out, DJ, make it hot like
Okay, Dad's loading up. First practice of the year. Racing season should have started several weeks ago. So we'll see how the night goes. We got matching numbers on each side. The lights are getting shut off. So, what do you think the first night?
Well,
in the remodeled, revamped, redone, whatever rage.
I'm pretty happy. It was good. We made some changes.
You can take the microphone.
Oh, okay. I'll be like a professional.
Yeah, there we go.
We made some changes, and the car responded. Track was
pretty awesome.
That is
okay,
awesome.
Not to interrupt, but to interrupt.
The track was pretty good. A little rough in 3 and 4, so it's kind of hard to tell down there. But the 1 and 2 was really good. But no, I'm pretty happy with it. Motor runs a little warm, so I got to do a little work on that. But so it's all right. We'll get it figured out.
Sure you will.
Nothing got damaged, so that's all that matters. So.
It's a good night.
Yes, it was.
Here you go, honey.
Okay, here we go. Okay.
Hold on. Wait, was I still recording? I thought I hit. Okay, I thought I hit stop.
Okay.
All right, honey.
So since we're so professional with our microphone, and we can have
gotta
a
do
real interview.
K&M Racing and Angela Sky Effects. So
we can do
double duty.
We can do a real interview and find out what did the driver think of the revamped Rage race car.
I think it felt good, but out of us three here, I think I turned the quickest lap time.
Yeah, maybe, I guess.
No, it felt good though, and Lee did a really good job putting it back together, and nothing flew off of it. So
it's got brakes.
Yep.
Thank goodness.
Brakes are in the right spot this time. Yep.
What did the crew chief think?
thought we had a pretty balanced car. It looked good. I think Mark had a faster lap time than me because I went out the last session of the night, so the track was well used up.
Oh
then,
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
so
You didn't have a chance because
my tires were lapped out.
Should have went
I
sooner.
needed some fuel.
See, I had the same thing going on. The track was gone away by the time I
Yeah,
was
Mark
out there.
had
So,
the best track.
I mean,
so.
Get the short end of this.
we got to give it to you there, I guess.
I guess. I mean, yeah. But no, I think we had a good night. Everybody looked good.
Yep.
Had balance, so.
We need to go race against some other cars out there. That's going to be the key.
Yep.
So, okay.
Soon, hopefully. What'd you think, Shannon? Mama, sitting up there at the bird's eye view.
Supervisor.
Yes, you did a great job. You look so cute up there.
Thank you.
Hard to believe this girl's about to have a baby in about 5 days.
Yeah.
Look at that.
No way.
Our
Like,
little crew chief.
yeah, the little mini crew chief going on here.
Yes. Aw, can't wait to meet your little crew chief. Him or her.
Little Jimmy.
Whatever. We'll find out.
His name is Jimmy.
His name is what?
Jimmy. We're
What
calling
if
him
it's a
Jimmy.
her? Is it Jiminea?
Jimmy.
It's going to be Jimmy for a girl?
It's universal.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Like Jordan.
Uh,
Oh,
whoa, 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 whoa. Somebody's going to hit my car.
No Slade.
Slade. He's got insurance.
Oh, he better have a camera.
He does.
Go ahead and hit it. I need a new car.
Keep coming.
It's got 40K on it. Might.
Probably runs into everything. Okay,
All right.
interview out.